Hello. Hello.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm good, Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. So let us continue our classes from today.
Okay.
Inshallah, where we stopped last week,
Laplace transform.
Laplace transform, yes. But in which problem we stopped,
Um,
You remember or not?
1 second. I think it was the cosine one.
We have completed the Laplace transform of derivatives.
Right.
After that, we are doing the problem based on the Laplace transform now today.
Yes.
So this is the first problem. Okay.
Okay.
After completing these questions, in this PDF only, I have given for you some assignments questions also there related to this concept. So you should do it later on. Okay.
Okay.
So let us start the solution of this problem. Yes, it's a IVP, initial value problem. Y dash y prime plus 3y is equals to cos 2x. And here the condition is there, y of 0 value is equals to 4. So using this initial value condition, we have to solve this Laplace transform. The question will be, find the Laplace transform of. Okay.
Yeah, using initial value from.
Yes.
Yes.
So we should start our solution. First of all, given y dash plus 3y. Close this door. Close this door. Is equals to cos 2x. Now what we are doing here is taking
derivative.
Laplace transform on both sides.
Laplace transform, right?
Laplace transform on both sides. So it will become Laplace of y prime plus 3 times Laplace of y value. 3 is a constant, and we know the linear property of Laplace transform. If c is a constant, like 3 is a constant, we can pull it out.
Yes.
Then Laplace of cos 2x. Can you close the door, please? Now, what is the value of this Laplace of y prime value? You remember, or should I write here?
1 over y?
No.
Laplace of y.
Laplace of f prime of x value. I'll show you. This formula I gave you. This is equals to s into L of fx minus f of 0. We already proved this one in last session.
Right.
So what we are doing here is, in place of f of x, we know the rule y value must be equal to f of x. So in f prime of x, we are replacing with y prime. So now the value of this fy prime is what? Can you tell me? S into L of y. Yes, plus 3
minus.
Sorry. Minus.
No, it's minus.
Minus y of 0.
Yes.
Y of 0 plus 3 times L of y is equals to this formula. What is that? You remember? Laplace of
it was something over the.
Not something. It should be s square plus 4.
Yeah, I don't remember the formula. Sorry about that.
L of y, can we take common from the first and the last term?
Yes.
So left over is s plus 3 L of y minus y of 0 value already in our question it is given is equals to 4
Right.
is equals to s times s over s square plus 4 s square plus 4. Now simply we can throw out this pull it out this minus 4 that side to bring that side. So we are
Yes.
getting L of y, just wait. Yes, s plus 3 into L of y is equals to s by s square plus 4 minus will be, if you bring that side, will become plus 4. Now
Yeah.
I want the value of L of y. So simply this s plus 3 we can bring that side. It will come
Subtract
to
on
the
it.
denominator like this,
Right.
s over s square plus 4 here, and this will be s plus 3, and then
Yes.
finally this value will comes here also.
4
Yes,
over s plus 3.
this is the solution of this problem. That's it. Okay. Further, when
Okay.
we are continuing this question, we have to find out this solution also, this values, this also we have to solve after,
For s,
not for s, for after it is completed, we have to go for Laplace inverse transform. Then in that Laplace
right.
inverse transform, same question is there. We have to find out the value of y. To find out that value of y, we have to bring that Laplace that side. It will becomes Laplace inverse. After that, we have to solve it by using partial fraction. Okay, we'll discuss later on. First, you copy this one, this much only.
Okay. Okay.
आप इधर आओ, 1 मिनट इधर आओ, सुने आप इधर आओ.
Sir,
Yes.
what is s in Laplace transform?
S.
Yeah.
S is a function here.
Oh,
Like
okay.
x is a function here, s is a function. You know Laplace transform definition, actual definition. I'll write it here. I'll write it. You see this one.
Okay.
L of f of x is equals to capital F of s. So whenever here x changes, here s changes. X and both s both are the functions. You know this value 0 to infinity e power
Right.
minus sx fx
Yes.
dx. That means under the integration s is also there, x is also there. So we can treat both of them are the functions. In our discussion, Laplace transform, s and x both are the functions.
Okay. Okay. I'm done, sir.
Yes. So next is we have a translation. Translation property is there. First of all, we have to prove the property, and based on the property, we have to do some problems. The property is if L of f of x is equals to capital Fs, then L of Rx e power Rx fx is equals to f of s minus r. First of all, I'll show you the difference. Then we should prove it. See here,
Okay.
L of e power Rx value. You see this one, e power Rx. So whenever we are multiplying anything, e power something along with f of x, so there is a change in s like that. I'll give you one example here better. L of, suppose you are going to find out e to the power of 2x fx value,
Right.
so then it will be in capital F s minus the x coefficient is 2 here, so we should write 2 here like that. Okay, first we can prove the property, then we should, that's a problem, we'll discuss the problem later on. First proof.
It's just r minus x.
Yes, first of all proof. Okay,
Okay.
so what is the definition of Laplace transform? We are going to prove using the definition of Laplace transform. L of f of x is equals to, give me the answer, f of s, which is also
F
equals
of
to
s e to the minus
improper integral e to the power of minus infinity e power
of
minus
sx
into
times
fx,
f of x.
and then dx is also there. Okay,
Right. Right.
so what I am doing here is, in place of this f value, I am going to use the right hand side to prove my LHS value. In place of s, I am going to assume it is r minus s.
Okay.
So what I said, whatever the value available here within the bracket along with f, the same value will be the coefficient of x here. You can see this s and this s must be same. Are you getting my point? This value s
Can
must
you
be there.
repeat that, sir? You
See,
said x and r should be same.
yes, x and r. No, this whatever the bracket value is there along with f, that same value will be the coefficient of this e power. Suppose 2
Okay.
here means e power minus 2x, 5 here means e power minus 5x, L here means e power minus Lx, like that.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
to prove the result s minus r, I'm going to replace s with r minus s. Sorry, not r minus s, s minus r, sorry, s minus r.
You said it would be r minus s, right?
No, actually what we have to prove?
S minus 2.
S minus, no, look at the result. S minus r.
Right. 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 Right.
So we
S minus
replace
r.
s with s minus r. So that integral value, how it will be changing? 0 to infinite, e to the power of minus must be there. In place of s, now what we wrote just now? We wrote
S minus r.
s minus r, x as it is, times fx as it is, and then dx as it is. Getting or not?
Yeah.
0 to infinity. We know that this is, we can multiply. Okay, so multiplying mean what will happen here? Powers minus sx, minus into minus plus rx times fx into dx, correct?
Yes.
Which is also equals to 0 to infinite. We can split the powers here like that.
Yes.
E to the power of minus sx into e to the power of rx times fx into dx. And this side will be,
So when you split the power, do you need to do separate integral or just one?
no need of separate integral. Actually, I want
Okay.
to replace the value like this. You can see. Once again, we use the same definition. See, this fx value will be same. This s value, this s value will be same. So with respect to this problem, what we, this side, can we write like this? F of s minus r is equals to e to the power of minus sx is there in our definition. Instead of this, can we write like this? L of L of e to the power of Rx into Fx into dx. Can we write like this? Are you getting or not? Shall I explain here once again?
Yeah, can you explain that once again? The
Okay, with some
final
other color, I can
man
take it with
F
this.
F
Yes,
N
you can see.
R.
What is our L of f of x value? 0 to infinity e power minus sx times fx. So L of this bracket value, this value, the same value will be here. Okay. Similarly, this formula also can be written as f of s is equals to. Actually, the meaning of this formula is in both of the way we can write it.
Okay.
This is. Now you can see here, if this f of x value means this Laplace value, e power minus sx f of x value is L of f of x value. My question is 0 to infinity e power minus sx. Instead of f of x, suppose if you multiply anything with e to the power of rx, that will come here now. F of x, you can see.
Yes. Yes.
यहाँ पे जो भी f of x का कोएफिशिएंट है, यहाँ पे देखिए, you can see, अगर मैं यहाँ पे ऊपर 5 बोल के लिखा तो ये 5 इधर आ जाता,
जी,
ठीक है ना? So instead of that f of x, we have a coefficient is e power rx. If you multiply with e power rx, the e power rx same should come here.
Okay.
समझ में आया?
जी जी.
So this is the final result we have to prove. Finally, we proved that Laplace of e power rx f of x is equals to f of s minus r. This is called translation property in Laplace transform.
Okay. Okay. I'll just copy this, sir.
Yes, you have to copy. It's a very important theorem.
Translation. LERX.
Suppose r value is 2, then what is your answer?
R
value
if R value is
2. Then what is your answer?
R minus 2.
S minus 2. If r value is 2 here, then s minus 2 here. My question is, I am asking you the value of e power 2x fx. Then what will be your answer? Your answer is
S minus 2.
s minus 2. If I ask you the value of e to the power of alpha x fx, then f of
Alpha,
s
f of
minus s minus
minus alpha.
alpha. Yes. So what
So,
I mean to say, the value of x, whatever the coefficient, that should be subtract from s. Alpha means s minus alpha, beta means
right.
s minus beta, 2 means s minus 2, 5 means s minus 5, right?
Yes,
This is
yes.
called translation property. So whenever if you multiply anything with f of x, which is e power form, that should be subtract from s in the right hand side. So we have to do the problem based on this also. Some examples, other examples will do. You copy it? Did you copy it?
Yeah, almost there. 1 second.
I'll give you 2 examples to understand this concept clearly. Just as an example, suppose we are going to find out the value of Laplace of e to the power of alpha x into cos beta x value.
I'm done, sir.
Yes. Look at this example. E to the power of alpha x cos beta x value. Now our f of x value is cos beta x. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the answer of this question? Cos beta x is what? S by
F of
s
S
square plus
plus 1.
beta square.
Oh, beta
Okay.
square. Okay.
So whenever if you multiply with e to the power of alpha x, here in our answer we have to change s will be changes to s minus alpha. So then our answer will be s minus alpha divided by s minus alpha whole square plus beta square.
Right.
Similarly, if I ask you the question, one more example, suppose you give me the answer of this another example, Laplace of e power alpha x into sine beta x answer if I want you. So then how to do it? Actually, sine beta answer is 1 by
Minus in the bottom? Oh,
huh?
oh no.
S square. I think you forgot all the formulas. हाँ एक बार
No,
रिवाइज करिए
I
आप.
have जी एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं.
S will be changes to s minus alpha. So your answer will be 1 over s minus alpha whole square plus beta square. Okay. Copy
Right.
these 2 examples and we can proceed next initial value problem.
Okay.
In your college, your university, this Laplace transform finished?
Yeah, we are almost done with it.
So which topic he started?
The last time I attended the lecture, he was doing 4.6 or 4.7.
4.7 means which Laplace only?
Yeah. 4.7, 1 second.
The classes are going on in offline mode or online mode?
Online.
Online. No offline?
No, no, offline. Only for this one, it's online. Other classes are offline, in person.
Mhm.
1 second, syllabus. Yeah, we were doing 4.7 initial value problems with piecewise continuous
Okay, okay,
non-homogeneous terms.
okay, no problem. You
Yeah.
have completed this one?
The question?
Yes, these two problems, these two examples.
Yes, yes.
Next question is this one. The question is find the Laplace transform of this f of x is equals to 3 plus 4 times e power 3x minus 2 cos 2x. See, if you remember the formula, within a fraction of minutes, seconds, we can do the solutions. Simply what we
Right.
have to do, we have to take the Laplace transform on both sides. Laplace of f of x is equals to, we know that 3 is a constant, pulled it out, Laplace of 1 left off, plus 4 is a constant, by linear property we are taking out, pulled it out, e to the power of 3x minus 2 Laplace of cos 2x. If you remember the formula, simply we can get the answer. Laplace of 1, what is that? 1 by s.
1 by s, okay.
Simply the answer is 3 times 1 by s plus 4 times e to the power of 3x means 1 by s minus 3 minus 2 into cos 2x means s over s square plus 2 square. So simply one more step is possible here. 3 over s plus 4 over s minus 3 plus minus 2s s square
Right.
plus 4. That's it. I have given some questions for your practice. You can
Right,
see
right.
this यहाँ पे आप you can see here. Last I gave you the assignments also, some answers also there. You can try. So you will get
Okay.
practice with this. Okay.
Okay.
This one copy immediately fast, or one more question we have to do fast, fast.
Yes, sir. I'm done, sir.
Yes. So before going to the solution of the second question, I forgot to one more property is there. That is here I'll write it. One more property of the Laplace transform. See, I'll write it here.
Okay.
This is Laplace of x power n fx value is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of n d power n by ds power n of this capital F. To understand this, what is this actual property? What is the power of x here?
And
N. So depends upon the power of x here, we have to differentiate f value. Suppose example, suppose your x value is 1 fx, x into fx means how many times we have to multiply minus 1 whole power 1 here. Okay, d power 1
Right.
ds power 1 of this capital F value.
Right.
Similarly, if I ask you x square f of x answer, then minus 1 whole to the power of 2 d power 2 by ds power 2 of this f value. Depends upon the
Right.
power of x, how many times are there, that many times you have to differentiate your f value. This process will be useful, and this in the second question we are using this concept here. See, the second question is little lengthy question. First we have to apply Laplace transform here, that is L of fx is equal to 5 will be taken, pulled it out, linear property as you remember, we are taking out Laplace transform of x square minus 2, pulled it out, Laplace transform of e power minus 3x sine 2x 5. Once again we can pull it out, Laplace of x into e power 4x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 as it is. What is the Laplace of x square? आई थिंक आपको एक बार फॉर्मूला पूरा एक बार देख लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो मैं क्या है
जी सर।
मैं लेक्चरर वे में मैं पढ़ा दे रहा हूँ, बाद में आपको अरे ये क्या हुआ कंफ्यूज हो जाता फिर आप। व्हाट इज
एक
एल
बार
ऑफ
फिर
एक्स
से
स्क्वायर?
देखना था मैं।
रिवाइज कर लीजिए आज फॉर्मूलेज आप।
जी जी,
हाँ,
आज
थोड़ा
कर लेता हूँ।
ब्रेक आ गया, नहीं तो ये पूरा 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 फार्मूलों का खेल है और कुछ भी नहीं।
जी जी जी।
हियर 2 बाई एस स्क्वायर, for x square we have a direct formula, you can see in your formula sheet we have a direct formula for this. Minus 2 will be a constant. And now I explained sine, you can see this above example, this example,
Right.
e to the
1
power of
over
alpha x sine beta x. So same answer I am writing here. Actually sine 2x answer is 1 over s square plus 2 square is 4, and s will be changes to s. What is the coefficient? Minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3 plus 5 will be outside only. Now x into e power 4x, we are applying this property, this above property. X into
Okay.
e power 4x Laplace transform is, can you tell me?
negative s minus 4.
I just quit, I'll write it. Yeah, here x power is 1 now.
Yes.
Minus 1 whole power 1 d power 1 ds power 1 times of this e power 4x answer is 1 by s minus 4.
Right.
Getting? Yes. So here 5 2s are 10, 10 by s square. Okay, minus 2 1 over s will be changes to s plus 3, so it will be s plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole power 1 time, so it's a minus 5 only. Now one time only derivative, d by ds of 1 by s minus 4. What is the answer?
For derivative?
Yeah, derivative.
A natural log?
No. D by dx of 1 by x value is equals to minus 1 by x square. Yes?
Isn't it natural ln?
1 by x, no. 1 by x is minus 1 by x square only. You are आप इंटीग्रेशन बोल रहे हो?
अच्छा, okay.
It's a minus 1 by s square.
Correct.
So finally 10 by s square here minus 2 over expand it, a square plus b square is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 2ab means 6s plus 13. I am writing directly here, minus into minus plus s over s minus 4 the whole square, and actually this will be the answer.
Right.
अभी देखिए आपको हो सकता थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन, बट क्लियर कब होता है, आप एक बार फॉर्मूलेज रिवाइज कर लीजिए।
जी, आज कर लिया था मैं कैसे भी बैठ के।
फॉर्मूले रिवाइज कर लिए तो आपको परफेक्ट क्लास समझ में आती।
जी
नहीं तो ऐसा दिख रहा वो खाली मैं ही कर रहा हूँ ऐसा दिख रहा। आप एक बार जस्ट रिवाइज द फॉर्मूलेज, देन गो थ्रू दिस नोट्स, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली।
राइट।
Even though I'll share the PDF and as well as the recording also, but once again you should go through the formulas so then you can understand.
Yes. Yes. 5x e.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay, then we have one more initial value problem. Y
Okay.
prime minus 2y is equals to 4x. Y of 0 is equals to 3. So you should remember that formula. Simply taking Laplace transform on both sides. L of y prime minus 2 is a constant we are pulling out using the linear property of Laplace transform. L of y 4, once again linear property, taking out, pulling out L of x.
Right.
Y prime s into L of y
1 over s.
minus, no,
No,
derivative,
no,
Laplace
no.
transform of derivative formula,
Right. Sorry.
minus y of 0 minus 2 times L of y is equals to 4 is a constant. L of x is 1 by s square. It is there in your formula sheet. Now s from here, first and the last term, simply we can take L of y common. So s minus 2 minus y of 0 value is there in our question is 3 is equals to 4 over s square. Now minus 3 if you can bring that side, then s minus 2 into L of y is equals to 4 over s square minus 3 will be bring that side becomes plus 3. Finally, I need L of y value. So it is becomes 4 over s square into s minus 2, right? 4 over s square into s minus 2 and then plus 3 over s minus 2. It's a very simple question. Just you
Right.
should be remember this y dash formula, y prime formula.
Right. Okay.
Okay, shall we go the second one question also?
Just one moment, sir.
Yes,
Just
yes,
one
right,
moment.
write it, write it.
Okay, we can move on.
So the second question also we are taking Laplace on both sides y double prime minus other linear property 2 will be pulled it out, y prime plus 5 into Laplace of y is equals to 2 times Laplace of x plus Laplace of e to the power of minus x. Now y double prime formula s square into L of y minus s into y of 0
Right.
minus y dash of 0. This will be for y double prime minus 2 will be a constant. Now y prime formula s into L of y minus y of 0
3.
plus, no, we should substitute those values after this step.
Okay.
L of y is equals to 2 times L of x value is 1 by s square, so it is 1 by s square
Yes.
plus L of e power minus x, answer is 1 by s plus 1. After this one we have to multiply with this minus 2 for both of these two terms. After this one we have to substitute the condition.
Right.
S square L of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus 2s L of y minus into minus plus 2 times of y of 0 plus 5 times of L of y is equals to 2 over s square plus 1 over s plus 1. Now use the above condition, that is y of 0 value is equals to minus 2 and y dash of 0 value is equals to 3. Substitute both of these two values. So once if you substitute these values, what will happen here? S square L of y as it is minus s into y of 0 value is what? Minus 2. So I am writing here
-2.
minus
Right.
2. Y dash of 0 value is 3. Now let us write it here. Minus 2 times s L of y, right? Plus
Yes.
2 times y of 0 value again minus 2. Okay, plus 5 times L of y is equals to 2 over s square plus 1 over s plus 1 right now. So you can see what we can take common. Shall we take L of y common from this, and this? Can we take L of y common?
Yes,
S
yes,
square
yes.
minus 2s plus 5 left off. If you are taking L of y common, then minus into minus plus 2s, it is minus 3, and minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, it is equals to 2 over s square plus 1 over s plus 1. Minus 3 minus 4 will become minus 7. Next step, I'll bring that side.
Okay.
S square minus 2s plus 5 L of y is equals to 2 over s square plus 1 over s plus 1. Now we can see plus 2 will become here minus 2s, minus 7 will become here plus 7. Correct?
How did you get that?
Plus 2s is there now.
Right.
Plus 2s, if you bring that side, I'll put a small arrow, will go that side, becomes minus 2s, minus 3, negative 4 will become negative 7. If you bring that side, will become positive 7, right now?
Okay, okay, okay.
Now
Got it.
finally, I need L of y value, which is equal to 2 over s square times s square minus 2s plus 5 plus 1 over s plus 1 times s square minus 2s plus 5 plus 7 minus 2s over s square minus 2s plus 5. Am I correct?
Yes.
Here you can stop this question, or if you want, you can take the LCM of these two, and I am writing the next step after taking the LCM, and if you simplify, so your answer will be like that: s square into s plus 1 into s square minus 2s plus 5. This will be the LCM, and here if you see
Oh, okay.
this will be cancelling. S square means 2s plus 2 here, 2s plus 2 here. These two are cancelled, means s plus 1 left off here. S plus 1 also cancel, means s square here, plus 7 minus 2s as it is over s square minus 2s plus 5. That's it. Can you copy this? It's little lengthy
Yeah.
question. After that,
So-
assignment problems are there. For these questions, your professor answers also already I checked. Both of the answers are correct. My
Okay.
answer, your professor answer also same only. How much he did, that much stage I am also doing. Okay, the same answer he got it. If you
Right.
have if you have that sheets with you, then you can cross verify.
Okay.
And for this Laplace transform, USA and India must be same.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it a universal?
Yes.
Okay. So we can move on.
Yes, next is just assignment questions are there. After that, we have
Okay.
a 4.3, but not going.
Yes.
I'm not going to explain 4.3 tomorrow's class because already you
Okay.
are just you have to revise the formulas. Just I'll explain
Yeah,
what are the
I will
questions.
revise today.
Assignment
revise
questions.
today and I'll do.
I'll give you some hint how to do it.
Okay.
You can
Is
see
this the
here.
second assignment problem, sir? I wasn't able to do second assignment. Or is it a new assignment?
It's related to this today's class.
Oh, okay.
This whatever
Right.
the problem we have discussed today,
Yes.
I gave the same questions here. Okay. So I'll give you
Okay.
some hint also. You can see in our first question, it's a x square plus 1 whole square. Actually, you have to expand this one using first a plus b whole square expansion. Okay. Then you can apply Laplace transform. Okay. And I gave the answers also.
Okay.
Second question also, simply you have to apply Laplace transform. Third question, simply Laplace transform. And the fourth question, I'll give you the hint. Here, first of all, you have to this e to the power of ax plus b, you have to apply Laplace transform. It will become Laplace of e power ax plus b. And here you can split it e to the power of ax into e to the power of b. And you can pull it out e to the power of b outside because there is no s value, there is no x value. We can treat as a constant. E to the power of b will move on, means will be out. And Laplace of e power x is 1 by s minus a. So that e power b will be out, 1 by s minus a. Simple answer.
Okay.
Next here for this Laplace transform of ax plus b, you remember sign of a plus b expansion? Formula sign of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Yes. Is that from hyperbolic?
No, not hyperbolic.
Trig?
If you want, I'll write it here. Do you want me to write?
Yeah, you can write it down.
I'll write it that formula. This is, you can see.
Which expansion is it? Is it a
Sin of
cos
a plus
prime?
b. Sin a cos b cos b sin a. This expansion. Sin a means sin ax, cos b means cos small b plus cos ax plus b, and sin a. Constant, you can pull it out and you can apply. If you don't have any, if you are getting any confusion, if you are getting the answer, it's okay. If you're not getting the answer, tomorrow's class, first we discuss these questions. We will clarify your doubts. Then we can continue our next session.
Okay. Is there also a minus b?
Yeah, a minus b also there. Only the difference is if plus is here, plus is here. If minus is here, minus is here. But in our cos of a minus b expansion, different. Cos of a minus b means alternately cos of a minus b, cos a sin b minus, इधर माइनस है तो इधर प्लस रहता, उसमें प्लस है तो माइनस रहता. इन साइन सेम वैल्यू, प्लस को प्लस, माइनस को माइनस. Okay, you try, you are getting, that's your confident build up. If you are not getting, no problem. First we'll discuss these questions tomorrow and we can start our regular class.
Yes.
Okay now? So
yes.
I'll share this PDF with you. Okay.
Yes.
So now I'll end up the session.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.